Really nice. Sushi and More for completing 10 years in India. Looking forward for 50-year celebration now. Good luck.
Yes, they've completed 10 years, which is amazing. So all the best of luck to them, and may they keep making more sushi. In most places where I've had, especially the prawn tempura sushi, the tempura is very kind of saggy and soppy. Over here, it's always crisp and it's very neat and well done. So it's perfect for me. Whenever I have this sushi, it always brings a smile to my face. So it's amazing.
Sushi is the most healthiest meal available right now, and we love sushi. It's glad that it's come to India. Sushis are made very well over here, and this is one of our favorite places. We come here and have sushi all the time. Even in COVID, the hygiene levels have been taken care of, and we really love sushis.
We personalize sushi, like we serve guests sushi with our boxes, takeaway boxes, with the name of the guest, name of the order, and we give a thank you card with the name of chef who made the sushi for them. We use hand gloves for making sushi. We use vinaigrated water for hygienic purpose. We sanitize our chopping boards, knives. Then we sanitize our workstations. We use fresh oils. Then, we use masks because of this COVID-19 situation.
And nowadays the people loves an attractive food, and sushi is a very attractive food. The people always love to have sushi, and it's a very good. It's a healthy food. Like sushi is a healthy food.
Harrison. Harrison is a good teacher. He always teaches like new things, how other restaurants do, and what we need to change on our service, how we need to keep our customer happy. So he always take a few samples from Japan, then we try here. He always come here, he will eat food with us. Harrison thinks for 100 years. He wants to stay sushi and more for 100 years like Kikuman. Kikuman is for 300 years. So Harrison is also looking for the sushi and more to stay for 300 years.
The sushi and mo is like Harrison's dream. He always do a hard work to bring his company like an organization, like a greatest change in the world. He always do a hard work. He always think about how the different things he can bring in the industry. Like he always do like events here and all. He always do, like he has a great mind, and he have a creative mind. He always do a new idea.
I'm working here from 7 years and we're happy because of my journey. So till now I'm working for the rest of my life here.
He happy with sushi and more working here. Thank you. Thank you, Harrison. Arigatou gozaimasu.